Shapa fethu kunjani Camera ngithini mfocus wela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one and angihambi ngiyi1 paka chuchu
Wala bafethu kunjani toza abantu on the screen. Here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion.
yebo baba
Baba.
So manje bafethu today in this episode sibuka iMamelodi Sundowns noma kuthulile ukuthi yenzani but we're looking at it firstly siyazi ukuthi they just lost Jaden Adams, so rest in peace to Jaden Adams.
RIP to the Grootman.
Yeah,
bafethu.
Yeah.
South Africa has lost a good gem kahle.
Hey kakhulu.
That one was one for the future kahle.
Skala Sibani.
Yeah.
Since we just touched on it, let's look at Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ukuba kulesimo abakusona manje ukuthi balahlekele Jaden Adams kuba impact kanjani in terms of mhlambe they were supposed to be actually preparing for pre-season now. They should be having a pre-season now going to next season. Mhlambe let's start then just bona ukuthi ukubashiya kwa Jaden, what does it mean to them?
Yeah, kuba affecta kakhulu. I think even ba postpone nokuhamba beya eAustria to start their pre-season, making sure that ba involved in terms of more now with the family and so on and so on. Obviously, they are affected, even the players. I would like to think there are players who were closer to Jaden, so those players would be affected directly. So nanokuthi ke manje sekufanele badlale this chasing game to try and chase isikhathi manje, because at the end of the day mele baye kwi-pre-season. They postponed it, not that they cancelled it, to prepare for the new season. So kubalekile lokho vele. Anyway,
I hope badlali they'll be right psychological babe mnandi babuye back. So now asibuke ke njengoba iMamelodi Sundowns azenevo Jaden Adams, asithi sesiyabuyela back to the season. How do we get to replace Jaden Adams in that position?
Yabona ke leyo difficult mfethu. Obviously ngisho ngabe kuthi umdlalo uya retire mfethu kunzima nje ukumreplace
even like injury.
Ngisho ku injury kungcono ku injury because usuke sazobuya but ngingathi to find a player who will do well in their position to keep Sundowns going. We already know with Sundowns it's at a stars speed, you know. That means that they are doing well. Even Willock last season, league they finished number 2, so that shows what they are doing well. So they need abadlali who will contribute. Already declare position or kulama positions that Jaden was covering, which is 6 and 8, depending on the day which coach would decide to utamfaka kuphi. First ube seseqala ukukhombisa ukuthi is an important player kwi Sundowns. Lokho kufanele sikumention because when we talk about replacement, it's because kunesidingo salokho yabo. Akufani ukuthi kuthiwe umdlali who was not playing, you know.
He was a key player.
Exactly, he was a key player. In fact, I think he had gotten a red card prior to a season ukuthi phela. So he didn't play some of the games that were crucial, like your TS Galaxy game, which they ended up getting beaten in the game. Egcine contributileke ekubeni ukuthi bengakwazi ukuthatha i-league, you know. So such things like that shows ukuthi he was an important player.
Correct.
And he was available for the final game league. CAF.
Yes.
You know. So that also shows ukuthi maye khona he makes a difference. He was available, I think, for both of those games that they played, home and away. He was available. Masibheka ke abadlali that potentially can fill that gap. First, it's the ones abavele bekhona. Ayende has been to Sundowns set up for years now. We talk about Rezinho. It's a potential because I think Sundowns was looking to ship him out. He is one to also look at, but I think based on his on, I don't think they would do that, but they may still do it. You talk about okay, Mkwena, who goes without a say. Mkwena, you can put him anywhere. He's still core of that team. You look at the young man.
Oh, yeah.
Kekana, yes, from the DDC. I think it's his time to shine right now because he's been ready. Sundowns and Aboga Badlal who are ready to
And not
come on to the first team, come with development. But because Sundowns is a star-studded team, it's very difficult for them to actually
Just come in and
break
fit in
into the
sky.
first team, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, you talk about Tuma Pena, he was a potential efike kanye nabomdu naborele.
Yeah.
But when you see ukuthi Orele nomdu where they are right now in terms of ama teams abadlalela, you obviously realize ukuthi uMapena now say far behind.
So khona ukuthi bamlona manje.
Exactly. But he's still someone to look at. So Sundowns, I think I would like to think I would like to see them giving the young man an opportunity. Ukekan. He played a crucial role. He even scored the final under 20.
Yeah.
AFCON. That final that they won. Yeah, AFCON under 20. He was the one who scored that goal. And he was crucial throughout the tournament. So right now I think it's about time he actually plays with senior team. Yeah. So those are the ones that I would think. Otherwise, maybe it's to go to
and scout.
Yeah, go to the transfer market and get someone whom they would fill that position with. Mhlambe ke amagama that would come into mind angazi umunawo yini yeah, mina umuntu engingamcabanga nje top of my head is uSpesihle Maduna from TS Galaxy. It's a very good player. I like that boy. Me, myself and I. I don't think we have a lot of players abafana no Jaden Adams. So that's why
it's gonna be hard either way to get a direct replacement.
Exactly.
But we're just looking at potential replacement,
Yes,
people that they can use in that position, you know.
True.
But obviously Jaden will never be replaced.
Yeah,
hayi ke sindluleke lapho but Sundowns njengoba isazoyavela ukuprepare and uyayikolodo ngoba uthethe league yayo izofuna ukubuya back ngapha mayibuya izofuna ukubuya ibe strong izofuna kuba i-team ethatha ama-cup. They hardly do that. I think that's one of the things they don't do. Look at the season abaphuma kuyona, they just won one cup, be careful, you know. Nakhona they had to do it or nothing. Coach bezohamba, so angazi babona babuya ba strong bazokuhlukumeza.
Yeah, there are things to consider Sundowns besides the fact that this unfortunate situation happened. They are a team that doesn't in recent years they don't sign a lot of players, which means that they keep abadlali babo. You hardly find Sundowns selling players. They would loan them for that matter, and release them for free. But normally they hardly sell players to. For PSL it's even worse.
Free agent.
Yes. You know, so that speaks to a team ehlala indawonye kahle kahle. Ihlezi indawonye. So for that reason, togetherness, brotherhood, understanding will be there. It's the same team that took Champions League, as we are saying, and that was competing neck and neck with the Orlando Pirates league. You know, I see them doing well, or competing as they were competing. One, they would like to defend their Champions League. Kunama teams that will want to take this Champions League away, snatch it away from them. One of which is Orlando Pirates. You would count about Al Ali. They will want to come back strong as Zamalek, TSC, TP Mazembe. Those are the teams that are always in the mix when it comes to my favorites. A CAF. Nase Tunisia, nase Morocco, all those teams bafuna winner every time they play for that tournament. Domestically, it's the league, as you just mentioned. We snatched the league away from them. They want their league back.
They've been winning it for 8 years.
For 8 seasons,
Imagine.
so it only makes sense. Ukuthi they think it's theirs.
Yeah.
Can't think, hey, this season is ours.
Okay.
And then domestically, I think
These
what
trophies.
they've been lacking throughout nje lo 8 years esikhuluma ngawo, it's cups. They've taken cups here and there, but they are not as consistent as some of the other teams locally enza ngakhona when it comes to cups. We know officially in South African football calendar cups akhona, excluding league, there are 3. We have got Black Label, Carling Cup, we've got Nedbank, we've got MTN 8. That's the first cup of the tournament of the season.
The easiest one.
So yeah, we'll see what is kangakanani, because you have to produce evidence to say it's easy. For me, I can say it's easy. I don't know about you, but yeah, it's basically it. I'm thinking they are also looking to take maybe your tribal, guys, you know, or even because you know when you are a Sundowns, you are a Chiefs, you are a Pirates. Everywhere you play, you want to win.
Yes.
The target is to win. It's not to survive or to finish later in the competition. No, it's to win. That's the mandate all the time.
I get. Mina season. All I can say is good luck to Mamelodi Sundowns going to the new season, and angazi bafethu ukushona kwa Jaden. Sometimes we big up. You can comment down below Nishchela how you feel about it. This is just our thoughts.
Yeah, I think to emphasize kakhulu, nani when you respond or on the comments is to tell us ukuthi, because the whole shift of preparation of the new season is affected, you know. I'm just reminded top of my head ukuthi the game 3 PSL they are playing against Kaizer Chiefs, which you would think it's a difficult opponent. So zonke lezo zinto lezo idinga preparation proper going towards that, you know. And even no game 1, which is the first weekend of August. Right now it's in 2 weeks, you know, and that's not looking good if you haven't started the preseason now, you know, because angeke siqale with game in hands. You can't do that, my friend. Yeah, my friend, so tell us what you're thinking on the comments about Mamelodi Sundowns.
See you another one.